Hello and welcome to our kitchen. Today I'll show you how to cook Rayants Asian Prawns 3 different ways. These large shrimp are Asian flavored. They're caught in Asia also. They're flavored with onion and garlic, ginger, and 5-spice. The beauty of this product though, just like all the rest of these products, is the versatility in cooking. You can use your microwave, you can use your oven, and you can use stovetop. Today we'll use our griddle. Now, let's get cooking. First, open the box. It's got tamper-proof seals on the top. And then remove your product. Fold it out and place it into your microwave. Okay? Set your microwave on high heat and set it for 1 minute. At the end of 1 minute, open, pull your product out and pull by the edges because these shrimps will be hot. Again, put it right back into the oven, set on high heat for 1 additional minute. At the end of this 1 minute, done, remove again, taking care not to touch the shrimp. Take your digital thermometer or any thermometer, place it into the fat part of the shrimp. You're looking for 74 degrees. That's 165 Fahrenheit. And then just allow to rest for 5 minutes. Remove your product. Open by this little nut right here. Just rips right straight open. And then take your shrimp and put it onto or the reserved cooking widget right on top. Our second way, still with the same interior package. Place your cooking rack in your oven onto the middle rack. Okay? In an oven-proof container, put your inner pouch and let it cook for 10 minutes. At the end of 10 minutes, then take this out and again just turn it upside down. Put it back into the oven for an additional 10 minutes. By the way, we're cooking at 200 degrees, okay? Which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. At the end of that 10 minutes, remove your product. Again with your thermometer, check. In the largest part of the shrimp, you're looking for 74 degrees, okay? Which is 165 Fahrenheit. Then let it allow to rest for 5 minutes and plate just like we did before. Finally, we're going to do stovetop in a saute pan or a griddle, either way. We take a little bit of oil and just fill. Not too much oil, there's no reason for that. Then, this is a little different. We're just going to open the bag, remove the shrimp from inside with the marinade and put it right onto your grill. Okay? Spread these out and let them start to cook. As they cook, you'll notice that they start turning color. You're looking for brown around the edges. As soon as we have brown around the edges, we're going to turn them over. It's going to take between 3 and 5 minutes to decide. As soon as they've started to turn brown, turn them over. Again, let them cook.
Finally, at the end of that 3 or 5 minutes, place your thermometer into the largest part of the shrimp and check the temperature. You're looking for 74 degrees. That's 165 Fahrenheit. At the end of that, if you hit that 74 degrees, then plate, just like we did before.
Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and to see more Rayants cooking videos. You can also like us on Facebook and see us on Instagram.